money got me wearing fly.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your girl is on her way to Florida again. I'm about to catch a flight with my mom, and we're going to a wedding basically for my mother's best friend's daughter, and I'm singing in the wedding, so I'm really excited. I'm ready to just be on the beach again, you know. I love the beach. I'll see you on the flight. On our way to a sunset dinner with my beautiful mother. Turned tonight. This is where you walk up to our Airbnb. It's blue. The stairs are blue. The railings are green. And you walk up. It's a little seating area. Little white fence. Then overhead you get the view of the butterfly garden. Walk in. This is a pan of the living room. Couch outdated, that's okay. And there's the kitchen with my mom in it. We got a little table, fridge, all the necessities, a mini stove, a cute blue Keurig, and here is where we put our dresses for the wedding. Cute side table. And you walk into this room, and it's the bathroom. The shower is really nice and big. And then you have the sink, toilet, where I just pooped. And then you walk through the bathroom, step up into the bedroom. Super, just, I don't know, gives me a little like Little House on the Prairie vibes. That's the bed. And then we have two little green chairs. And here's my closet. Well, I just put my stuff in here. If I can even open it. forgot my clothes are in here and I can't get it open. One second. I got the door open. So this is where I'm just putting my clothes. Took a little step up. It's cool and kind of creepy, but have all my jeans and shirts and t-shirts, shoes down there, hats up here. Shout out Lauren for letting me bring those. I just have like my bags over here, sunglasses, you know the vibe. And up here's like extra blankets and stuff. And I actually had a dream about this little attic hole last night. Now that I'm looking at it, I remember I had a dream. I was trying to go in there, but I wasn't allowed. This is my breakfast this morning. An everything bagel with avocado and cream cheese and turkey. These farmers market bagels are huge. My mom and I are about to head out and go to a bunch of beaches. Super excited. And I hope she doesn't annoy me. To our first stop, Bean Beach. It is at the tip of Anna Marie Island. Decided to sit here and chill instead of just look at the beach and go. Lunch after the beach. Bagel sandwich, pretzels and hummus, and grapes. Baby, how I'd be grieving if you wanted to leave me all alone by myself. I don't want nobody else. Taste in my mouth, girl. You're the only one that I want. Wanna be around. Wanna be around you, girl. So we are about to head over to a open mic night and listen to some live music and get a drink, and we're also going to get some food.
Well, I heard about loving, sight to the blind. My baby's loving to the end of time. She's my sweet little thing. She's my pride. trouble, boy. Well, I love my baby, heart and soul.
I'm gonna witch it all from this opera forevermore. I'm gonna work the straw, make the sweat drip out of every pore, and I bleed it out, bleed it out, bleed it right before the Lord. All the words are gonna be from me, and I will leave no more. And the stain coming from my blood, tell me go back home. Nope. Hello. It's way too bright for that. Good morning. I'm about to do some yoga and meditate. And then we're going jet skiing today, so I'm excited. I'll probably have to use iPhone footage for that because I'm scared to bring this camera on there and I don't know if there's a spot to put it, so we're gonna go with the flow, so yay. Today is Saturday, it's the day of the wedding, and I'm just doing some eye masks and a face mask. I look so good right now, honestly.
Sorry for your time.